Assalamualaikum, my name is 𝗓𝗂𝗶 from Kulliyyah of Economics. This Ramadan series with 𝗓𝗂𝗶 will have 3 episodes where we will make an iftar meal preparation easily for students to follow. It will be an inexpensive dish and most importantly, comply with mahalah regulations. So don't forget to catch up on us, don't forget to use our hashtag a little bit of spice. So today our guest is, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, hello everyone, my name is 𝗓𝗂𝗶 and I am currently taking TESL from Kulliyyah of Education.
It's nice to see you. As we all know that sandwich tuna is a simple dish that most of students loves it. The ingredient that will be used for a sandwich is bread, tuna in can, salad, wild tomato and also the mayonnaise can be as an optional ingredient. So, Mai, can you explain the step of making sandwich tuna?
Yes, sure. So firstly, we put the bread here and then we're going to take some tuna and then spread it all over the first slice. Okay? Let's do it.
Okay. We only use the one side, right?
Yes, only use one side of the bread.
The smell is so delicious.
Yeah.
I'm so hungry.
You can actually put more if you like more tuna.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Now we're gonna move on to the next step, which is we take some vegetables, whatever vegetables that you want. So here, let's take some lettuce.
So we have salad here. The salad is look like this.
And then we're gonna put on some tomato. So, but before that, we need to make sure that we cut the tomatoes into half. Because how are you gonna eat like this, right? The next thing is we're gonna put on some mayonnaise. If you like mayonnaise, or if you like some chili, you can do that.
I actually prefer sauce chili compared to mayonnaise. Maybe like Thousand Island also will be taste better.
Yeah, that's true. Just spread the mayonnaise all over the slice. Now, the last step is to cut it into half. Or if you just want to eat it like this, then it's okay too.
So this is the final result for the sandwich tuna.
Ta-da!
We have reached at the end of our episode today. Thank you to our guests today. So don't forget to follow our social media at IIUMTV on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and also TikTok. Hashtag a little bit of spice. See you in the next episode. Thank you.
Bye!